Navratri is that time of the year when many of us fast, but that doesn't mean food has to be boring. Today we're going to share 3 unique vrat-friendly recipes that are delicious, filling and absolutely festive. We'll be making Thecha Stuffed Sabudana Vada, crunchy Sabudana Fingers and a sweet treat Makhana Barfi. Let's get started. We'll begin with Thecha Stuffed Sabudana Vada. Now for the vada mixture, take soaked sabudana, boiled and mashed potatoes, some coriander leaves and rock salt in a mixing bowl. Combine everything well. Now grease your palms with a little oil, take a small portion of the mixture and shape it into a ball. Flatten slightly, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of thecha in the center and seal it back, shaping it into a tikki. Now heat oil for deep frying and carefully slide the vadas in. Fry until they are golden and crispy on both sides. Your Thecha Stuffed Sabudana Vadas are ready to serve. Crispy outside and spicy inside. Perfect with green chutney. Next, we're making a snack that kids and adults both love. Sabudana Fingers. Think of them like vrat-friendly fries. Now in a bowl, mix soaked sabudana, mashed potatoes, a little flour substitute suitable for fasting, and season with rock salt and some crushed peanuts if you like. Mix well until it forms a stiff dough. Now take a portion of the dough, roll it out into thin logs and cut them into about 4-inch strips. These will be our sabudana fingers. Now heat oil and fry the strips in small batches until they are golden and crisp. Look at that crunch. Now serve them hot with red chutney or even sweet curd. They make for the perfect evening snack during fasting days. And finally, let's balance the spice with something sweet, Makhana Barfi. This healthy mithai is made with jaggery and dry fruits, making it light, wholesome and guilt-free. Now in a pan, dry roast the makhana on a low flame for about 10 minutes until they turn crunchy. Remove and keep aside. Now in the same pan, roast cashews for about a minute and keep them aside. Then roast melon seeds for just a minute and set them aside too. Now grind the roasted makhana and cashews into a fine powder. This will give the barfi a creamy base. Now in a saucepan, add ghee and jaggery and melt it gently on a low flame. Once the jaggery has melted, add cardamom powder for that festive aroma, then turn off the heat. Quickly add the makhana cashew powder to the melted jaggery, sprinkle in some melon seeds and mix everything well. If needed, add a little more ghee to bind. Now transfer the mixture to a tray lined with greased butter paper, press it down evenly and top it with the remaining melon seeds. After 4 to 5 minutes, remove the butter paper and cut the set mixture into squares, diamonds or any shape you like. And your delicious, crunchy yet soft Makhana Barfi is ready. So that's the 3 special recipes for this Navratri: Thecha Stuffed Sabudana Vada, crispy Sabudana Fingers and sweet Makhana Barfi. Perfect for fasting days, but honestly, so good you'll want to make them even after Navratri. Try them at home and bring a festive twist to your vrat meals. Happy Navratri! For more such easy recipes, subscribe to Times Foodie.